In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a 100% completed save file in God of War PC. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK and now go back to username. Open saved games, God of War, random number, and this is my game progress. Before dropping the 100% save, I click on the blank area and select new and select folder, name this backup, and then drag and drop my game progress inside this backup folder. Open the 100% save file has two folder. One is with shield and one is without shield. I'm going with the with shield. Drag and drop inside of this location and launch the game. As you can see, the 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.